Hello and welcome to Starting Points, where one thing leads to another. This is my second short version. In the last video, I looked at two books. I thought they presented what I was trying to show of artwork that was done out in nature, looking at the plants. This book's called The Flowers of May. It's put together by Richard Mabbe, and the work of the artist Carolyn May, Flowers of May. It's selected from the unpublished flora that she'd done, nearly 1,000 paintings over close to 40 years, 25 or so a year that would work out to be. Now, I showed a number of her watercolors and talked a bit about her life and her times when she was living. She was born in 1809 and died in 1874. Makes her 65 years old. And her painting career started about when she was 22. And she started by painting wildflowers that she could discover that grew near where she lived. In time, she had to go further afield and further afield. So she was determined and caught up with trying to record the wildflowers in England. She recorded flowers in most of the counties in the south of England. She finally was living in Cornwall. But she'd also went north of London and in different areas to explore and to Guernsey Island on a number of occasions, to Guernsey Island to paint the flora there. Now, the other person that I wanted to share was a person who was born about 50 years after Carolyn died. Actually making him born over a century later. So much had happened, and his painting style captures that a bit, I think. His name is Norman Battershill, or Battershill, and his canvas is bright and bold, and he painted outdoors as well, places even vegetable gardens, and he's trying to help artists have suggestions, ideas that they could incorporate in their own outdoor painting. So it's a guidebook, really, and beautiful inside. Both books are beautiful inside and different ways, in a sense. One flower, many flowers. Done with some delicacy and exactness. Done with a flourish. Outpouring of color. So I'm very thankful to see these as examples of diversity, of variety, that certainly can exist in the art world, and just as in the plant world. Well, thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.